Today, we're talking about a product that's been stealing the spotlight in the beauty world, Pluxy. If you've ever dreaded the pain of waxing or struggled with razor bumps, you're in for a treat. This revolutionary device promises an easy, long-lasting solution for facial hair removal. Curious? Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know: how it works, why people love it, and if it's the right fit for you. Let's jump in. What is Pluxy? Pluxy is not your typical hair removal device. It's the world's first epilator designed specifically for facial hair. Say goodbye to the hassle of waxing, shaving, or plucking. Pluxy removes hair from the root, leaving you with smooth skin and slower regrowth. With over 300,000 satisfied users and 20,000 glowing reviews, Pluxy has earned its spot as a must-have beauty tool. Whether you're looking for efficiency, ease, or results that last, Pluxy delivers. What makes it stand out? Its smart design and cutting-edge features. Unlike traditional methods that can irritate your skin or leave ingrown hairs, Pluxy combines advanced technology with user-friendly convenience. How does Pluxy work? Pluxy's magic lies in its 17mm discs with patented glide technology. These discs grip even the shortest hairs, as tiny as 1/16 of an inch, and remove them from the root. That means no awkward waiting for hair to grow out before your next session. But there's more. Its built-in silver ions protect your skin from bacteria, ensuring a clean, irritation-free experience. This makes it a fantastic choice for people with sensitive skin. Over time, you'll notice your hair grows back finer and slower, so you'll need to use it less often. Why choose Pluxy? Here are just a few reasons why Pluxy is creating such a buzz. Effective hair removal. Get salon-like results in the comfort of your home. No stubble, no worry. Targets hair 4x shorter than waxing, leaving your skin silky smooth. Gentle on skin. Dermatologically tested with no harsh chemicals, perfect for sensitive skin. Cost-effective. A one-time purchase that saves you from endless salon appointments. Compact and amp. Travel-friendly. Lightweight and portable for easy touch-ups wherever you go. But beyond the features, it's all about how Pluxy makes you feel: confident, comfortable, and ready to take on the day. Who should try Pluxy? Pluxy isn't just for beauty enthusiasts. It's for anyone who wants a better, simpler way to manage facial hair. It's perfect if you have sensitive skin and want to avoid irritation. You're tired of the pain, cost, and hassle of traditional methods. You love a quick and convenient at-home solution. You want to feel confident and polished, anytime and anywhere. How to use Pluxy. Getting started with Pluxy is super easy. Step 1. Start with clean, dry skin free of oils or makeup. Step 2. Glide Pluxy in gentle, circular motions over your face. The device handles everything, so you don't have to pull or tug. Step 3. After use, detach the head and rinse it under water for a fresh, clean device. Pro tips. Use Pluxy in the evening so your skin can recover overnight. Apply a soothing moisturizer post-treatment for the best results. Regular use can reduce regrowth over time. The pros and cons. Let's keep it real. No product is perfect. Here's what you need to know. Pros. Long-lasting results with finer, slower regrowth. Easier on the skin compared to waxing or shaving. Saves time and money over the long term. Compact and user-friendly. Backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. Cons. Takes a little practice for first-timers. While less painful than waxing, it's not completely pain-free. Customer love stories. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what real users have to say. Where to buy? Ready to make the switch? You can grab Pluxy directly from their official website. Buying from the official site guarantees you get the real deal, along with exclusive discounts and their 90-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for tuning in. If you're ready to ditch the pain and mess of traditional methods, Pluxy might be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.